Hold the wand between your thumb and your middle finger, and go ahead and let go, and just let the wand float underneath your hand. I'm going to place my other hand on top of my wanding hand, and I want to keep my palms open to the wand just a bit. Now from here, with the wand floating underneath my palms, I'm going to move myself in a circle to my right. The wand stays in front of my palms, and my movement is just giving velocity to the wand to keep it distant from my hand and to also maintain the illusion of it floating.